Hey, business owner, have you recently experienced this phenomenon? You've built a business you're proud of and everything was going smoothly until the leads started drying up suddenly. It's a story that's familiar to many business owners who find themselves scratching their heads, wondering why their market share is dwindling. Is it just one of those things, or is there something more you can do? Well, what if optimizing for an AI-driven world could be the answer? Spoiler alert, it might just be the game changer you've been searching for. Have you ever heard of Ask Engine Optimization, AEO? If not, you're not alone, but today's the day to change that. In our tech-driven world, staying ahead means keeping up with the latest trends, and AEO is paving the way for businesses to communicate better in an AI-powered environment. Let's dive into how you can leverage these strategies and ensure you're not just keeping up with your competitors, but outshining them. Okay, you probably know about SEO, search engines love it, but what's this about AEO? Imagine inviting a friend over who knows all the cool new stuff, whereas SEO was more like inviting an old pal to the same usual hangout spot. AEO is about ensuring AI assistants understand and recommend your website to users seeking what you offer. It's the modern twist on SEO that everyone's talking about except your competitors. Oops, more for you. Have you ever tried talking to a voice assistant and wondered why it didn't always get what you meant? Well, think of the words people actually say. Hey, what's the best local bakery? Start weaving these casually conversational keywords into your content. By aligning your content with natural speech patterns, you make it easier for AI to elevate your brand above the rest when people go voice hunting for what you offer. This might sound a bit strange, but bear with me. Your content needs to be structured in a way that's deliciously easy for AI to digest. Think bullet points and clear headings, but you should still write with the warmth and charm that speaks to your human audience. Sprinkle anecdotes, share insights, and make your content feel like a conversation with a friend, not a lecture. We want to thank our sponsor, AI Engine Logic, for their support in producing this video. If you need help optimizing your online presence for AEO, click on the link in the description. Have you ever found out about a trend just after it passed? Not fun, right? Keeping abreast of the latest developments in AEO could serve as your invaluable tool. Set time aside to research, attend webinars, and read up on recent developments. Being ahead allows you to adapt and innovate, keeping your brand fresh, relevant, and irresistible. Staying ahead in today's competitive market can feel like a race you didn't sign up for, but with AEO in your toolkit, you're not just running, you're setting the pace. Now's the time to transform visitors into loyal customers and secure your place in the market, ready to elevate your business strategy and outshine your competition. Start your journey and watch your business flourish. Thanks again to our sponsor, AI Engine Logic, for supporting this video. If you are looking for help modernizing your online web presence, click on the link below. As always, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe and like buttons and feel free to comment below.